An international team of physicists including theorists from the U.S. Department of Energy's DOE, Brookhaven National Laboratory has published the first calculation of direct CP symmetry violation, how the behavior of subatomic particles, in this case, the decay of kaons, differs when matter is swapped out for antimatter. Should the prediction represented by this calculation not match experimental results, it would be conclusive evidence of new, unknown phenomena that lie outside of the standard model physicists' present understanding of the fundamental particles and the forces between them. The current result reported in the November 20 issue of Physical Review Letters does not yet indicate such a difference between experiment and theory, but scientists expect the precision of the calculation to improve dramatically now that they've proven they can tackle the task. With increasing precision, such a difference and new physics might still emerge. The calculation determines the size of the symmetry violating effect as predicted by the standard model, and was compared with experimental results that were firmly established in 2000 at the European Centre for Nuclear Research, CERN, and Fermi National Accelerator Laboratory. This is an especially important place to compare with the standard model because the small size of this effect increases the chance that other, new phenomena may become visible, said Robert Mawhinney of Columbia University. Physicists' present understanding of the universe requires that particles and their antiparticles, which have the same mass but opposite charge, behave differently. Only with matter-antimatter asymmetry can they hope to explain why the universe, which was created with equal parts of matter and antimatter, is filled mostly with matter today. Without this asymmetry, matter and antimatter would have annihilated one another, leaving a cold, dim glow of light with no material particles at all. The first experimental evidence for the matter-antimatter asymmetry known as CP violation was discovered in 1964 at Brookhaven Lab. This Nobel Prize-winning experiment also involved the decays of kaons, but demonstrated what is now referred to as indirect CP violation. This violation arises from a subtle imperfection in the two distinct types of neutral kaons. The target of the present calculation is a phenomenon that is even more elusive, a 1 part in a million difference between the matter and antimatter decay probabilities. The small size of this direct CP violation made its experimental discovery very difficult, requiring 36 years of intense experimental effort following the 1964 discovery of indirect CP violation.